Hello, yes, and welcome to our Objective 5.2 sample problems. We're going to practice some more graphing polynomials with our graphing calculator. So for this first one, again, first step, let's type our equation into y equals. So y equals, we'll say 2x to the third minus 4x squared minus 6x and then plus 3. And then we'll hit graph. Okay, let's see what we got here. Wow, look at that thing. Okay, so we got 3 x-intercepts. We have a maxima, a minima. Notice our in behavior, this would be falls to the left, rises to the right, falls to the left, comma, rises to the right. Fantastic. My y-intercept, of course, is from my constant, 0, 3. All right, so that right there tells me my y-intercept. All right, let's do our x-intercept. So second, calc, 0, enter. Let's go to the left of this first one, and then to the right, press enter. Negative 1.28 when we round. 1.28, comma 0. Very good. And then let's do this next one. Second calc 0, go to the left. And then to the right. And that's 0.41, comma 0. And then our final one, second calc 0, go to the left. Now this will be fun, getting all the way over there. There we go. And then to the right of it, press enter. Okay, so this is a little interesting. We have y equals 2e to the negative 12. Remember, anytime we see e to the negative 12, it's 0. Okay, so 2.86, comma 0. All right, so negative 1.28 would live right about here, 0.41, and 2.86. Obviously, we have 0.3 as well. That'd be right there. Okay, so let's calculate our maxima and minima now. Our maximum, let's go to the left of this maximum, right? Right about there's where my maximum is, but we have to complete the thing. We can't just get our tracer close to it, right? Let the calculator do its stuff here. Negative 0.53. Comma 4.76. Again, we're rounding to the nearest hundred. Negative 0.53, 4.76. That'd be right about there. And then our local minimum. This will be fun. Second calc. Our minimum. Got to get to the left. And then all the way over to the right. There we go. And what's the lowest point between those? 1.87, comma, negative 9.13. All right, so let's plot those. 1.87, negative 9.13, so way down here. And then all we need to do is connect our dots. So we'll have, remember, smooth transitions here. Nice and smooth. And there we have it. Very nice. All right, let's do one more. Let's do letter B here. Oh boy. Got some fractions involved. This is a good one for us. So y equals, we'll say x to the fourth plus, and then again, I always put my fractions in parentheses. I recommend you do the same. Helps the calculator make sure we follow the order of operations correctly. and then minus 2x, and then plus 3, and we hit graph. Oh boy. Okay, we're going to get put to work here. So our in behavior, this one definitely rises to the left and right. Rises left and right. Our y-intercept would again be 0, 3. Happy coincidence. We have 4 x-intercepts. Let's get to it. So second, calc, 0. I got to go to the left of this first one. 4 x-intercepts. So left bound, right bound, press enter. Negative 2.42, comma 0. Okay. Right about there. Let's do our next one. Second calc 0. Negative 0.93, comma 0. Okay. Got 2 down, 2 to go. Let's get on the other side of our y-axis here. Bound, right bound. 0.58. Oh boy. Oompa. That was exciting. Hit the wrong button there. 0.58, comma 0. And then we have one more. Our last 0. 4 zeros. Crazy. There we go. Press enter. 2.27, comma 0. I need to graph those. 0.58 would be right about there. 2.27 right about there. Okay. So now we have 2 minima and 1 maxima. So let's calculate our maximum first here. Go to the left of what we think to be the highest point is, and the right of our highest point here. Negative 0.16, comma 3.17. Okay, just right off of our y-intercept there. And then we have 2 minimum. 2 minima. Let's get this over here. Go to the left, press enter. Go to the right, press enter. Beautiful. What's that lowest point? Negative 1.85, comma, negative 5.29. Negative 1.85, negative 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.29. So right about there. Okay, and then we have one more thing to calculate here, our last minimum. And it looks like this one's even a little lower. So go to the left of it, and then the right of it. There we go, press enter. 1.64, comma, negative 6.98. So almost negative 7. All right. So 1.64, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, just right above that. Beautiful. Okay. And then our last step is to connect our dots. Remember, we are in behavior, means we start high on the left. We're going to come up through here, down through these points, go all the way down, and bring it back up through. And there we have our polynomial. Fantastic. Hopefully we're feeling confident graphing these. If you have questions, as always, reach out. Feel free to get started on those practice problems. Make sure we're feeling good, all right? This is Mr. Carter signing off. I'll see you next time.